In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budgeting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Budgeting can often feel overwhelming, but with Monday.com, you can simplify the process and keep track of your finances seamlessly. To get started, the very first thing you need to do is access your workspace. Simply log in to your Monday.com account and navigate to your home dashboard. This is where you'll see all of your boards and projects. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new board. Look for the plus icon, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on that icon will open up a menu that allows you to create a new board tailored specifically to your needs. Next, you'll want to select the Template Center. Just hover over the board option you've just opened, and then click on Start with a Template. This will give you access to a wealth of pre-designed boards that can save you valuable time. Now it's time to find a budgeting template. In the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar. Type Budget into this search bar to narrow down your options. Take a moment to browse through the results and go ahead and select the Budget Plan template. This pre-structured starting point is designed to help you get right on track without starting from scratch. After you've chosen your template, the next step is to install it. Click the Use Template button, and this will add the pre-designed board to your workspace, making it immediately available for you to customize. Speaking of customization, this is where you'll really begin to mold the template into something that suits your personal budgeting needs. First, let's go over how to rename categories. You can adjust the group names to align with your specific income and expense types, which makes it easier to track your finances in a manner that's meaningful to you. Now let's talk about managing columns. You have the flexibility to add or delete columns based on what you need. A great tip here is to use the Numbers column to track exact costs and the Date column to monitor payment deadlines. This way, you can see at a glance what's coming up and how much you need to allocate. Finally, we can enhance your budgeting experience by setting up automations. Utilize the automation features within Monday.com to act as your personal finance assistant. For instance, you can set reminders for bill due dates or schedule weekly reviews of your budget. These reminders can help ensure that you never miss a payment and that you stay on top of your financial goals. Now that you've learned how to set up Monday.com for budgeting, you can streamline your financial management in a way that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy budgeting!